Welcome back to channel SciTech. In this video, I'm going to do the Antutu benchmark test in the Realme GT Neo 2 for the first time out of the box. Yes friends, just a couple of minutes back I did do the unboxing of the Realme GT Neo 2 and this is my first time doing the Antutu benchmark test in this device without even installing any applications, nothing at all. So I did install only Antutu benchmark application and rest of the applications completely came built in, which are the bloatware applications as well. But let me try to show you exactly what is the Antutu benchmark version and all the details, and this is my first time doing this kind of testing. As you can see, it's the latest version 9.1.7, and before that I need to clear everything from the background applications. So right now I'm trying to restart the device as well before doing the Antutu benchmark test. Let's see how much score we can actually expect in the Realme GT Neo 2 and without using any kind of expansion RAM. Yes, I'm not using any kind of virtual RAM, I mean regarding the 5GB, 3GB we do get. So I did disable those kind of expandable RAM as well, so there is no expansion. Let's see how much the Snapdragon 870 with this kind of cooling system it can actually generate, and this is a 8GB and 128GB variant which I'm trying to demonstrate in this phone as well. Let me just show you the settings and go to the about phone. Sorry, as you can see there is no RAM expansion, so RAM expansion is completely turned off. And let me try to start the Antutu benchmark application and let's check the temperatures of 34.6 and 33.8 degrees. Not bad in terms of the temperatures, it's kind of pretty close to normal, nothing much high temperatures. So I did wait for a couple of minutes to temperatures to cool down, come kind of close to 31 degrees and 32 degrees. Right now it's of 32. So I think it should be kind of really good to go with the test. Let's see friends how much Antutu benchmark score we can actually generate in this Realme GT Neo 2 for the first time without installing any kind of applications. So which I'm really very interested to see how much this phone can actually score, which is a Snapdragon 870, because the Realme did claim that phone can actually reach up to 7,12,000 or 7,10,000 above. But under my conditions, I'm going to check whether the phone can actually reach that kind of score or not. And one thing is that I did notice the screen is really big, because this is my first phone to use the Realme phone with this much kind of big screen size. Yes. So I'm going to be back after some time. Let's see how much the benchmarks can be there and how is the cooling system is going on. How much temperatures the phone can actually increase high. So I'll try to focus even those things. Again, I'll be back after some time. So right now let's check the temperatures, what is about the phone temperatures, and right now 37 Celsius is not bad, 36 degrees, 35, 37 we're trying to see, and backs at 34, 33, 34, 36, not bad. So 37 degrees Celsius, as you can clearly see friends. I'll try to do the side-by-side comparison with other Snapdragon 870, then we'll be able to understand how the temperatures are maintaining in those phones versus this phone which the Realme is talking about in terms of the cooling system. That's what my main idea of demonstrating friends, so don't worry, I'll definitely do all those kind of testings within this 1 day or 2 days of time. So I'm going to be back after when the score gets completely finished, then we can actually discuss further details. So right now as you can see friends, we're coming close to the end of the results as well, and let me try to check the temperatures. In this moment it's of 37 degrees, not bad. So I cannot see any kind of cooling system getting impacted at this moment, because same kind of temperatures I did observe in the other iQOO 7 phones and the Snapdragon 870 chipset. So I don't think, but let me try to use the phone. So only after using for a couple of days I can come to the conclusion, not just now. So don't worry, I'll definitely do my testings as soon as possible, and then we'll try to come to the conclusion what is happening with this device. Is it kind of good to buy or not? So right now it's final result and I'm eagerly waiting friends to see the result. Let's see whether this can actually reach or not. 7,17,000. Wow, that's really high scores, as you can see friends. Wow, it's fantastic to see this kind of high scores. 7,17,000 out of the box in the Realme GT Neo 2 device. That's huge score, I can definitely say, for the Snapdragon 870, because usually the Snapdragon 870 will be around 7 lakhs kind of benchmarks. That's fantastic, 7,17,000. And let's check the temperatures, what is happening. Temperature, I cannot see any kind of decreasing. I mean in terms of the highest point, it did reach the highest point, 38.1 highest, that's 1.9. So it's kind of very usual when you compare with other iQOO 7 device and ML device in terms of the temperatures wise, and OnePlus 9 as well. So the overall, in terms of the cooling system, I cannot find any kind of cooling system impacting at this moment the results, nothing at all. But regarding the score, yes, the score is increased. But I need to find out whether the CPU or the GPU, which score is increased. So this is only possible if you try to compare with other Snapdragon 870, which I'll try to do very soon. So stay tuned for those videos as well. And that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video, and this is a quick Android benchmark test on the Realme GT Neo 2 after a quick unboxing of this device. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.